5 today. Let's start the revision sheet of the term 3. Okay? Number 1. Question 1, complete the following. Number 1, temperature is measured in degree Celsius. Okay? So the measuring unit of temperature is degree Celsius. 2, thermometer is an instrument that used to measure temperature accurately. Okay? Thermometer, a device that used to measure temperature accurately. Number 3, from uses of heat in our daily life, cooking food. Okay? 4, clinical thermometers are used to measure body temperature. Clinical thermometer from a type of thermometers that use to measure body temperature, our body temperature. Are used to measure the temperature of surrounding. Okay, number 5, wall thermometer. Number 6, heat flows in only one direction because heat always flows from hotter objects or surrounding to colder one. Number 7, when an object is heated, it will expand. Will expand mean increase in size and volume. And when an object is cooled, it will contract. Contract mean decreasing in size or volume. Number 9, liquids expand more easily than solids. Okay? Then, when an ice cube gains heat from its surroundings, it's changed into water, okay, or changed into liquid. Number 11, materials that allow heat to pass through quickly are called good conductors of heat. Number 12, is colorless gas that present in air around us, water vapor. 13, is a process of heating liquid until it changes into gas. This is process known as boiling. Is a temperature at which liquid boils at a change into gas. This is known as boiling point, okay? Where the boiling point of water equal 100 degrees Celsius. 15, is a change of liquid state to gas state without boiling. This is known as evaporation. Okay? 16. When the salt solution evaporates, the water changes into water vapor, and what left behind? Salt. The salt is left behind. And this is process, okay, used in desalination, where in the desalination process, what happened? The salty water from oceans and rivers heated up, okay, and evaporates all water, then the salt left behind. Then the water, after become vapor, collected again by condensation to form a fresh water. So we can change salt water into the fresh water by desalination process. 17, from the factors that affect the rate of evaporation, number 1, temperature, 2, wind, 3, exposed surface area, 4, humidity. Number 18, the higher the temperature of surrounding, what happened to the rate of evaporation? The rate of evaporation become higher also, okay? Number 19, when water vapor loses heat, it condenses into water droplets, okay? Water cycle refer to the continuous movement of water from the earth's surface up to the sky and back down again to the earth in a form of rain, okay? 21, desalination is a method used to extract fresh water from seawater. Number 22, the higher the level of humidity, the lower the rate of evaporation. Number 23, condensation means the change of gaseous state into liquid state by cooling. Okay? Number 24, the sun is considered a natural source of light and heat also. 25, from artificial sources of light, candles and lamps. Okay, electric lamp are from the artificial sources of light, while sun is a natural source. 26, visible light. What's meant by visible light? The light energy that can be seen, like white light coming from sun, okay? While we have another types of radiation coming from the sun, we can't see them, okay? Like ultraviolet rays and infrared, X-rays, gamma rays, okay? 27, nothing travels faster than light, okay? Light is the fastest thing travels in the space. Light travels at about 300,000 kilometers in 1 second, okay? This is known as the speed of light. 29, light reflection means is a bouncing of light when it falls on a surface. When the light rays falling on a surface, what happens? It will returning back or bouncing off, and this is bouncing or it's returning back, known as light reflection. Number 30, our eyes' vision occurred due to light reflection, due to the reflection of light. Number 31, light travels in a straight line. Number 32, when light is reflected off a surface as a mirror, what happened to the path of the light? The path of the light changes its direction, okay? 33, periscope. Periscope is an device or an instrument for observing things for a hidden position, because periscope is made up of mirrors placed at angle 45 degree at each end of the tube. 35. In order for a shadow to be formed, we need light source, object blocked path light. Number 3, screen or wall to receive a shadow. Number 36, nearer object from the light source has a bigger shadow, while farther object from light source has a smaller shadow. Okay. 37. By changing of position of light source, we can change the size of the formed shadow, okay? The size of the formed shadow will be changed, okay? Number 38, when the light source is directly above the object, what happened to the length of the formed shadow? It becomes the shortest one. 39, different objects allow different amount of light to pass through, okay? That's depending on the type of material they are made of, okay? And we classified material according to ability to transmit light into opaque materials, transparent materials, and translucent materials, okay? The objects that don't allow light to pass through are opaque. Objects that allow most of light to pass through are transparent, while objects that allow only some light to pass through, known as translucent materials, okay? Is used to measure the light intensity, a light sensor attached to data logger. So, 44, we can find out how much light passes through an object by using a light sensor attached to data logger. 45, the measuring unit that used for light intensity is lux. 46, Earth is a part of the solar system, okay? The solar system includes sun, 8 planets, and satellite. 48, the sun is a medium star, and the Earth is a planet, okay? Because sun composed of gases, while Earth made up of rocks. And sun emits light, while Earth is a dark body, okay? 49, the sun is located at the center of the solar system. 50, the sun is a giant gaseous ball made up of hydrogen and helium gases. 51, a satellite is an object in a space that revolves around the planets and the dwarf planets, okay? 52, in ancient beliefs, Earth is a flat disk floating on a water, but in today's knowledge, Earth is a sphere. 54, in ancient beliefs, stars only appear at night, but in today's knowledge, stars are in the sky both day and night. Aristotle used the observations of lunar eclipse, okay, as evidence for that Earth is a sphere, not a flat disk. 55, Copernicus has a commonly referred to as the father of modern astronomy, okay? 57, Copernicus was the first person to propose that Earth revolves around the sun. Okay, not vice versa. 58, Galileo was the first astronomer to study objects in a space by using telescope. Okay? 59, Galileo supported Copernicus' theory about the sun being at the center of the solar system. Number 60, Earth is spinning on its tilted axis, and this is known as Earth's rotation. 61, Earth rotates around its axis every day, or 24 hours, and this is called sequence of day and night. 62, Earth and the other planets move around the sun in fixed orbits, and this is movement known as revolution. 63, the revolution of the planets around the sun is caused by the sun's gravity, where the sun, own a powerful gravity that keeps each planet in its orbit. For 64, gravity, defined as a natural pulling force exerted by objects on each other. 65, the sun is the largest body in our solar system. Its powerful gravity keeps all planets in their orbits. 66, Earth takes a year, 365 quarter days to make one complete revolution around the sun, and this is causes sequence of 4 seasons. 67, day is a time taken by Earth to make one rotation around its axis, and 68, year is a time taken by Earth to make one revolution around the sun. 69, Earth has one moon while Mars has 2 moons. 70, the last question, Pluto is considered from dwarf planet. Listen to me, planet Pluto was once considered as a part of the planets of the solar system. However, in 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, demoted Pluto to the status of a dwarf planet. Dwarf planets are small in size and are unable to attract smaller bodies to themselves due to their weaker gravities. Thank you, Year 5, for your good listening, and goodbye.